Hey yo, what's up? Okay, me and Rob about to scout a spot for maybe Humbly Driven's first official car meet. So I don't know. Yo, on the way to the meet. Well, not the meet, we're the meet up spot. Hopefully, like, the police don't see us, because I hope they be doing drifting and burnouts, y'all motherfuckers. And hopefully somebody shows, because I know a lot of people don't fuck with me in the car community. A lot of people I fuck with are far as shit. And then there's like a bunch of fucking meets going on tonight. And this shit was like spontaneous, so I'm hoping. Damn, so we at the meet spot. This young man. I hate this fucking camera. Yo, this young man be hitting people with breaker bars.
I wouldn't be hitting people with breaker bars.
Y'all wanna know what I have? This I got me, look. I just cut myself with a knife. I got this. And I can't tell y'all what I hide that. Oh, where my bat at? Oh, hold the fuck. What the fuck? Oh, wait. I'm losing shit. Hold up. I gotta find my bat. Oh, it's in the back. You got bat. Where my bat? Oh, I gotta go in the trunk. Well, that's not healthy. Where the fuck is my bat?
Oh shit.
Fuck all you motherfuckers. Where my bat at? I'm tired of this. I'm about to hit him with a bat. There go my bat. Someone's coming. I hear an exhaust. But you gotta wait a second. Oh look, there go one. I got a fucking bat. What you gonna do? Huh? What? Oh, shit. Hold on, what the fuck?
Okay, I got a bet for a minute. So, we're just sitting here right now. And
yeah.
we saw a blue Acura coming from this way. And then turned back and fucking around. There he is now.
He's coming! He's coming back! What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? This fucking Acura, like, what the fuck, bro? This nigga, what the fuck?
Clearly. He went ahead, turned in here, turned up there, and I thought he fucking left. All of a sudden, like, now, it's like fucking 10:30 right now, and he turns the fuck around right here and exits out this lot. What the fuck?
Is he coming back?
I don't fucking know. He better.
What is he doing? Is he doing like drive-bys or some shit?
I honestly don't know. And there he goes.
Where?
I just saw his taillights just going that way.
Alright, I'm gonna fucking record this motherfucker. What the fuck? Oh.
What the fuck?
My
Hashtag fuck this shit, I'm out.
Oh yeah. Fuck you, I'm going home.
Exactly. What the fuck?
Wait, did he turn?
Shit, I'll tell you what. Once you get your shit fixed and everything, we're doing it at fucking Molly Station.
Yeah.
Like they did with the Maryland Motor Club.
Yeah. But did he have to pay for it?
I don't think so. I'm not 100% sure.
Yo, yeah, I called it, dude. I was like, nobody gonna show up because it's last minute, and it's like, it was like 3-4 other meets going down, plus like, yeah, and then like, I don't know, like I said, this Acura, he got like, hold up, cause I'm, copyright, hold up. Yo, cause like, this Acura was like freaking us out, cause like, I kept beeping at him though too, but he came past at first, like on the other side of the road, and like, then he came back, went around, and then I guess he must have came back and then came back again and turned into the place, and he came driving by slow and shit. So I thought I heard somebody. So he come in, like we both turned our headlights on and off. Who the fuck? I didn't even know somebody was there. What the fuck? So we on and off, and like he like swerved like he was about to make a U-turn. So then he goes around the front of the bank and just sits there. He must have been sitting there for a good 20-30 minutes, because that's how much we were sitting there, because nobody showed up. So then like maybe I posted on, I don't know if this has something to do with it, but I posted on Instagram like Acura come back blue Acura. And then like a minute or two later, He comes past going slow again. And then he goes all the way to the back and turns around, does a U. Like, that was creepy, bro. If you're watching this blue Acura, don't ever do that again. That was kind of creepy, but it's still Team Honda. But just come park next to us. It's okay. But that shit was funny and it was creepy at the same time. But I'm out, just got home. Sorry if it is like a short vlog. I'm trying to do that now, but
so much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.